Salam, this is Unity, and I'm here to do another Queen's order. All right, y'all. So, this order is a assorted wholesale package list on my boabw.com. So, this particular sister, this is her second assorted wholesale. And what comes in a wholesale is just different designs. And it's good for like if you want to resell or you want to give your friends and families and you just pay a very reasonable price. So y'all go to boabw.com and y'all check that out. So let me show y'all what I put together for this package. Okay, the first pair is these, which I love, and this is the back. They so fly, y'all. Fly. Okay, that's the first pair. The second pair is these. So in the assorted package, it can be all different sizes, small, medium, large, all different sizes. So that's the beautiful part, because some people don't like big, some people like small. So this is the second pair that's in her package. And this, like I said, this is her second, well, this is her third order, but this is her second assorted wholesale order. All right, that's the second pair. And then this is her third pair. So fly, right? I love creating this designs like these. It's all about placement of paint when it comes to making earrings that look just real abstract. All right. Make sure she got all her backs on there. And then I gotta put some backs on there, back on here. Then this is her third pair. Love this bead. This is her fourth pair. And y'all see how this shape is similar, but you see how small and big they are? Because I want to make sure that when I do the assorted packages, I want to make sure that I put sizes in there different. So, you know, and this is the back, this is fly. And this is the sixth pair. So fly, I've got to throw some fists in there. And this is the seventh pair. These are so dope. Yep. The seventh pair. And this is the eighth pair. In the package, you get 12 pair of earrings. And I'll put the link to that wholesale package in the description box. This is I forgot what number I was on. But this is the next pair, y'all. This is the back. And these are so beautiful. These are so beautiful. And then here go another dope pair. So fly. Y'all check out the finger painted video that I have on this channel. I put the link in the description box or on the note above. Y'all will see it come across the screen. So these are fly. And these are dope. I have another design similar to this, but these are fly. Y'all see that? Beautiful. And this is the last pair for this sister. So fly, right? So fly. Also, y'all check out boabw.com if y'all interested in purchasing a assorted wholesale order. To let y'all know, just a little note, make sure y'all read the description box. It's a package that I just mix up for y'all. I'm not doing custom wholesale orders right now. But yeah, this is something if you just want to step your earring game up and just get different earring designs for a dope price. So y'all check boabw.com. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for viewing these videos. I'm getting a lot of love for these videos. And I want to thank the queens that support in my business. It's just a blessing. And You know, in the last couple of years, y'all know I've been fighting for my art, getting my art taken down off places that China has mass produced, and I really, really thank you all that's, you know, sticking with me and supporting me. So it's like I'm rebuilding my business all over again, because I had got a pretty hit, and that's the thing about life, y'all. You know, in life you could be doing just everything just going great, and then it'd be like, but you can never let that stop. You got to keep moving. And I was given this divinely, literally in the vision. No, a vision say do it. I did it. I was obedient, and this is gonna be. This is my 13th year of doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it no matter what. And I have many other projects that I'm working on, and I'm gonna share them with y'all soon. But y'all, don't forget to, if you want to support this channel, look in the description box. You can send as low as $1 to the donation links. Also, don't forget to pick up trash in your neighborhood. Adopt a pet today from your local rescue or animal shelter. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.